Hello guys, thank you to click on my video. Today I'm gonna show you a great hidden ePlan functionality in ePlan Clipboard. So what is ePlan Clipboard? It's a functionality to allow you to ask a Windows Clipboard to save a set of copy objects with X and Y coordinate origin to use them next time in your current design. So how it works? Let's start. I will show you this. First of all, I'm gonna show you how it work when how the copy and paste work in ePlan when this functionality doesn't activate. So now you can see my project in ePlan when you copy when this functionality is disabled. When you copy an object, you can copy just one object. So when you pass this, you can see that I have just this object. So if I have, for example, I want to reuse uh, all this object in another page in my current project. So I can do that because you can just copy one object in ePlan. And if I copy this, and for example, I go to another page, I can pass just this. And after the pen work is that when this functionality is not activate, so we need to go back to the page where we have already used this object to copy again the next object to pass this to the I don't know another page. So how ePlan Clipboard work? So to do that, you need to go to setting in your ePlan. We wait. So basically, is in display general, and in general we have basically a clipboard. So by default, this is enabled, and in if you want to use ePlan clipboard, you need to disable this option, apply, and OK. So after that, you can see that, for example, now I want to copy, for example, I need to reuse in many page next time this free object. So you just simply copy this also, and copy this also as in Windows Clipboard. Maybe you can copy another type of object. In my case is, for example, this circuit breaker. I can copy also this, and when I come to the my my empty page. So for example, I want to now pass, for example, this circuit breaker. So you can see that we have a Windows dialog where we can now choose which object you want to pass. So now, for example, I want this circuit breaker X and Y at the same position to the original circuit breaker that I copy. Then, for example, I want to pass also this component. Just now I don't have to go back to my 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 last page to copy again and go to this page to pass. I just to select in my clipboard dialog now which component I copy I want to pass. So I can copy this same thing X and Y at the same position at the same position. Also I can copy page. Also we can add a page to ePlan clipboard. Now we can see that I can also now have a page in my clipboard. So now if I pass this, I can just change the number, the page name. So that's how this, how this hidden functionality work. Just some remark about this. So we have, I think, as Windows Clipboard, we have a limit of object you can copy. So, for example, if I copy this, I copy again this, I copy again, copy, for example, this, I copy a lot of things. I think that you can see that I have a Windows dialog uh, which tell me that clipboard can only hold 12 items. Do you want to overwrite the oldest item? So that means that when you copy a lot of object and we arrive to the limit of clipboard, the other object will be deleted to replace by to aid a free a free I can say a free place to add a new object in a clipboard. Then we have this functionality could be also annoying if you don't have a lot of things to copy. So you if you don't have a lot of things to copy in your current project, you can disable disable this functionality because it can be annoying because we will have each time when you passed object uh, a Windows a clipboard dialog to select your object. I hope that these tips will help you in your ePlan design. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.